Hey now, I'm back with another trading system review. In this installment, I will be testing this trading system from the FX Accurate channel that claims to have a 98% winning rate. And we will find out how the most accurate buy-sell indicator performs over 100 consecutive trades. Just be sure to watch until the end where I give my 5 optimization tips. And if this content is for you, just crush that subscribe button better than this lady's landing. I call this system the non sequitur, and like most trading systems, it can be applied to Forex, options, stocks, cryptos, indices, or any instrument that has significant volume and market participants. This strategy uses 3 free TradingView indicators. As always, links and settings to all indicators are listed in the description. The first indicator is the DXY Trend Indicator A-V2. Per the system author, the EMA length will be set to 52 and the smoothing EMA length to 10. This study takes 2 interpretations of a moving average, and in this system it will be used for entry confirmation. The second free TradingView indicator is our old and dear friend, the super trend. This system requires the ATR period to be set to 9 and the ATR multiplier configured to 3.9. The super trend will provide our signals for entry. The third and final study to put on the chart is the popular qualitative quantitative estimation, or QQE mod. The QQE incorporates data from the RSI and the ATR in an attempt to identify trending and consolidating conditions. This indicator will provide us with entry confirmations. Let's go over entry criteria and review some examples. As always, system rules and details are listed in the description below. This chart is Aussie versus the US dollar, 1-hour candles. The rules to enter along on the non sequitur are: first, the QQE mod must show a blue bar. Second, the trend indicator must be green. Finally, we are looking for a super trend buy signal. All the rules are met on this candle. This is our trigger. We place our stop below the DXY trend indicator and target 1 to 2, and this one hits our target. If you enjoy this content, make sure to click that like button. I have one more long example. The QQE mod is blue. The trend indicator is green. And finally, the super trend gives a buy signal. Everything converges on this candle. This is our trigger candle. The stop is placed below the trend indicator ribbon, and 1 to 2 is our target. And this one hits 1 to 2. Now we flip to shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. First, the QQE mod must provide a red bar. Second, the DXY indicator must be red. Finally, the super trend study must show a sell signal. Our 3 rules are met when this candle closes and serves as our trigger. We place our stop above the trend indicator and target 1 to 2, and this one hits our target. I'm going to show you one more quick short example. First, the QQE mod histogram is red. Second, the DXY trend indicator is red. Finally, there is a super trend sell signal. All the criteria is met on this trigger candle. The stop is placed above the trend indicator ribbon and the target is 1 to 2. And this setup hits our target. I'm going to give you some great ideas on how we can make this system better, along with a trader's landing score. And now it's time to do what I do. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like button. Remember, this is just 100 tests on one instrument. If you are thinking of using this system, please do all the required testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover. This test was done on Aussie versus the US dollar 1-hour candles. It took 2 months short of 2 years to find the 100 setups. Most wins in a row were 6, most consecutive losses turned out to be 8. The winning percentage was 43%, which is not bad for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. If all the trades were taken, risking 2% per entry, the gross gain on account was a healthy 52%. But I have 5 specific ideas on how to make this system better. You can see the equity curve here gets you into the green fast and then consolidated for about half the test. This could be mitigated by moving the stop to break even at 1 to 1. In that case, setups like this one would have been profitable, thus blunting the downward force of the account balance. What score would you give this strategy? Let me know in the comments below. I give this system a trader's landing score of 6 because while this system was profitable over the 100 tests, the indicators do not seem to follow each other well, hence the name non sequitur, and I will get into that now. Remember, the enemy of great is good. I have 5 ideas on how we can improve this system. Look at this chart. Many times during the test, I noticed the stop being hit only to move in the direction of the trade immediately after. You can see here, by optimizing the stops, these trades could have been either profitable or exited at break even. Second, the signals this system gives off like most systems in consolidation turn out to be losers. Look at this chart where there are 3 consecutive losses. The first thing I thought of to filter this out was to incorporate the triple super trend strategy like I used in this video with fantastic results. Furthermore, this particular combination of indicators has trouble getting you into large moves too often. Look at this chart where the QQE mod filters out this huge move. This happened too often and indicates either the indicator settings need to be tweaked or another indicator altogether should be used. Following up to the previous point of changing the indicators, the half trend indicator seems to work well in this setup where the QQE misses this entry, or on this setup where the DZWINE trend indicator misses this move. This system just barely misses many large moves. That is why it must be optimized. In addition, I noticed during the test that the gain on account most likely would have been significantly increased by using a dynamic take profit system. On this chart, you can see exiting on the buy signal of this short would have yielded a risk to reward of 3.22, and on this chart you could have walked away with a fantastic 4.5 RR. Check out this playlist for more profitable systems and have a great day.
Very wonderful EE that you can use to pass your profit challenge. FTMO and FFF, FTT, you can see a lot of people and you are going to get it at 50% discount rate. Very powerful EE. If you are interested, contact me in the description. You will see me the email there. Have a nice day. Bye for now. ID approved, submitted, they approve it. Proof of your address submitted, they approve it. Submit a copy of your professional license, approved. And then here